Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile LEHOM Clothes Drying Rack, a space-saving marvel designed to fit perfectly over your washer and dryer. Crafted from durable carbon steel, this rack boasts dimensions of 13.77 inches deep, 57.48 inches wide, and 70.8 inches high, with an impressive load capacity. Each wireframe supports up to 88 pounds, while the wire basket holds 44 pounds, and the suspension bar accommodates 33 pounds. Its adjustable and detachable features make it a breeze to customize, with adjustable feet for uneven surfaces and a height-adjustable bottom rack to fit your washing machine perfectly. This multifunctional rack is not only easy to assemble but also offers a DIY design that fits all washing machines up to 27.3 inches wide, ensuring it meets your specific needs. Built to last, the carbon steel construction is reinforced with 4 small grids for added stability, and you can even anchor it to your wall for extra sturdiness, with anti-tip straps included for safety. The black-coated chrome surface is rust-resistant, easy to clean, and backed by professional customer service ready to assist you before and after your purchase. So, if you're looking for a durable, adjustable, and space-efficient solution for your laundry area, the LEHOM Clothes Drying Rack is your go-to choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.